Currently, with over 20 million subscribers on YouTube, Bhuvan Bam is India's first individual influencer to really cross the 10 million milestone, register a monumental 3 billion views on his YouTube channel. He has over 12 million followers on Instagram. He is essentially the superstar of the social media that was born on social media, and he's now an inspiration for many young influencers. Today on the show, we'll ask him about how he made it from 0 to 20 million and counting. But take a look first at some of his work.
दिल से बुरा लगता है भाई।
इस नौकरी के अलावा मेरे पास और कुछ भी नहीं है, तो फिर आप ये लॉटरी ले लो। कहाँ ढिंडोरा पीट रही हो सब जगह?
Well, Bhuvan Bam is live with us on NDTV. Thanks so much for speaking to us. From 0 to 20 million on YouTube and 12 million and counting on Instagram, you're now doing Dhindora too. Tell us about your journey, Bhuvan.
I mean, it's been a roller coaster ride for me because Dhindora was something that I wanted to do since a long time, but before that, I really wanted to establish those characters, the way I shoot my videos, and I wanted to tell people that, okay, I am planning to create a series where I'll play all the characters and it will be short. It will be well shot. It will be just like any other movie or a web series we see on other OTT platforms. But this idea came to me gradually while I was creating regular content for my YouTube channel.
And you played 10 roles. These are 10 characters that you've actually established online on your social media platforms over the years. Where did this idea come from?
I think the idea was this only since the beginning. I knew I could look for other actors. I knew I could hire other actors. But then because I had started with some characters of my own, which I had created, I really wanted to create a BB universe of my own. A chota muh badi baat. If you may call it Desi Avengers, YouTube ka Desi Avengers, where you see every character in itself is unique and people like it. People like them, be it Papa character, Mommy character, be it Mama, friends, or anyone else. So I think this was a driving force where I wanted people to see the actual characters life size from head to toe. क्योंकि अभी तक तो बस यहाँ तक देखा है लोगों ने, चेस्ट के ऊपर तक देखा है, but इसके अंदर we have tried to tell people कि yeah, these characters actually exist.
Well, you've gained immense popularity in a short span of time. Why do you think Bhuvan resonates with India? What is it that makes your content work?
I think what I say, what I depict in my videos is what I have lived through already. And I'm sure if I have lived through that, then majority of the people, most of the people would have lived through that. क्योंकि नाना करते हुए भी सबकी एक जैसी लाइफ है. सबको पानी की बोतलें भरनी होती, नहीं भरते तो डांट पड़ती है. टिफिन वापस लेके आना होता है घर पे, अगर बाहर रख दिया तो फिर मम्मी नाराज हो जाती है. सो आई थिंक ये सब चीजें, ये मिडिल क्लास हैबिट्स हैं जो कभी जाती नहीं हमारे अंदर से. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज व्हाट मेक्स people connect with me so well, I guess, and that's what actually I want to portray in my videos.
Well, people have connected with you, no doubt, but at a time when there's so much hate, polarization, intolerance to content that's created online, you've so far played it safe, stayed away from it all. Are there any no-go areas for you, Bhuvan?
See, I don't think it's about upsetting anyone. It's about what I want to refrain from. I really don't understand politics, so I don't get into politics. I don't like insulting people. I don't do insult comedy. I have my own 16 to 20 characters where I can insult them. जनता भी खुश, मैं भी खुश. So क्यों किसी के बारे में कुछ उल्टा सीधा बोलना है? Also communal बातें नहीं, कुछ नहीं. I mean, there is so much to talk about. There is so much humor everywhere around us. I don't want to nitpick a certain section. I don't want to nitpick a certain political thing and then create comedy on that. Social commentary I do a lot. Satire होता है थोड़ा बहुत, but I don't go all out doing all these things.
But do you think you could, if you wanted to, could you go all out?
I think no, anyone can. Anyone can. अभी तो अपने पास social media है. Everyone is free to post anything and people do post. It's not on my priority list. It's not what I would want to do.
Well, Bhuvan, you earned this title of India's first 10 million club influencer. You pretty much own this space, like we said at the outset. How difficult was it to make it when you don't come from a film, sporting or fashion background? I mean, you were literally born into the social network and you've thrived here.
It is very difficult because you keep battling. First of all, you're battling with yourself. You're doubting yourself. And then you're battling with people who are sitting there on the top, who are there to judge you, who are there to tell you that, no, you're not fit enough for this. And I think over these past 6 years, 5-6 years of my career, I have, like, people like me have heard so many no's and so many cancellations from people who don't see us fit for a particular project, which is fair enough. They don't want to cast us. That's okay. But yeah, it has been like this कि हर बार ना सुनने की आदत हो गई है, तो ना करके इसलिए सब कुछ अब YouTube पे ही बना दिया.
Okay. Well, Bhuvan, it's been a tough year for you personally. You've had a lot of personal loss through this COVID pandemic, and yet through the pandemic, you've encouraged influencers to come out and do their bit, share SOS messages. You worked with the Hemkund Foundation. You also appeal to influencers in the same breath to not stop making content to make people laugh.
I mean, that's why they call you influencer, right? I mean, you could endorse any brand you want. There are so many brands approaching you for something, and you, without a blink, you go on and endorse those brands. But when people of your country actually they need you, then you can't stay quiet. At that time, there were so many people who were asking for beds for their relatives, for their closed ones. And I thought that there has to be someone to tell these influencers that, please, it doesn't matter if you have 10 followers, if you have 100 or 1,00,000 followers or 1,000,000 followers, just do your bit. Just इतने DM आ रहे हैं आपको, इतने inboxes आ रहे हैं, just go ahead and share some of them. You might, unknowingly, you might help someone. And I think वो instinctively आया मेरे को, and I made a video on that.
There's so many young influencers who want to be you, they want to be like you. What's your advice to them?
Don't be like me. Don't be like me. I mean, I'm still learning to be a better person. क्या है? Just listen to what your heart says. Just डिग्री ले लो, बस पढ़ाई करो अच्छे से, डिग्री ले लो, फिर उसके बाद अपना पैशन फॉलो करो. पैशन को जॉब बनने में बहुत वक्त लगता है, तो डिग्री ले लो पहले, उसके बाद जो फॉलो करना है करो. बट हाँ.
Well, I think that's really important advice that you've given, that it's important to sort of pursue your education no matter what your passion may be. We can't let you go this evening. You have to perform something for us, a couple of lines, a song, your favorite dialogue, something.
Well, sing this song. It's been stuck in my head since 2 days now. It's my favorite song. चौदहवीं का चांद हो या आफताब हो, जो भी हो तुम खुदा की कसम लाजवाब हो, चौदहवीं का चांद हो. Thank you.
All right. And who is this dedicated to?
Nah.
All right. Thanks very much, Bhuvan Bam. It was a pleasure speaking with you. Wish you all the very best.